Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to speak English more fluently and confidently? This video series is designed especially for you. Today we are beginning our 30-day spoken English challenge. Every day you will learn 60 new and useful English sentences along with their Hindi meanings. These sentences are commonly used in daily life, at home, in the office, at the market, with friends, and in many other situations. All you need to do listen carefully, repeat each sentence a lot, and practice regularly. If you practice consistency for the next 30 days, you will you will you English speaking confidently and commonly skills will improve significantly. So without wasting a time any more time, let's begin with the season sentences for day one. Okay, let's start. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Rahul. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. How was your family? My family is fine. Where are you from? I'm from India. Where do you live? I live in Delhi. What do you do? I am a student. I am a teacher. What is your age? I'm 20 years old. How old are you? This is my friend. This is my brother. This is my sister. Let me introduce myself. I am happy to meet you. See you later. See you tomorrow. Take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Excuse me. I am sorry. No problem. Please sit down. Please come in. What is this? This is a book. What is that? That is a car. How are your studies? My studies are going well. Are you married? Yes, I am married. No, I am not married. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little English. Can you help me? Sure, I can help you. What is your phone number? Please write your phone number. Where is your office? This is near the market. It was nice talking to you. I have to go now. Please call me later. Welcome to our home.